Many people spend years trying new creams for healthier facial skin, yet the real change often begins inside the body long before it appears in the mirror. Before we explore how this works, let us stay connected, so subscribe now. I remember a patient who first came to me after she turned 40 and began to notice small changes across her face. She felt that her skin looked dull, and she noticed that fine lines showed up more easily after long work days. She had not changed her routine, yet her skin seemed different from what she remembered only a few years before. Many adults share this experience. Facial skin becomes drier, thinner, and more sensitive to everyday stress. These are not sudden shifts but gradual changes that come from a deeper biological process. However, the body is still responsive. It can still heal, restore, and rebuild when it receives the right input. One of the most reliable ways to support facial skin from within is through specific nutrients found in certain fruits. Among all options, one fruit stands out for adults over 40. It consistently supports collagen, calms inflammation inside the skin, and improves microcirculation that carries nutrients to the surface. That fruit is the pomegranate. As we move further, it helps to understand what is happening beneath the surface of the skin. Facial skin begins to age long before the changes are visible. Many adults first notice dryness, uneven tone, or slower healing after irritation. These changes are linked to the gradual decline of the deeper support structures of your skin. As we get older, the skin loses some of its ability to make collagen, which is the strong yet flexible protein that supports firmness. This decline is normal, but it increases with exposure to sunlight, chronic stress, and everyday environmental factors. The loss of collagen makes lines appear more quickly and makes the skin less resistant to physical stress. Moreover, oxidative stress accumulates inside the skin cells. This happens when the body produces more reactive molecules than it can neutralize. These molecules can interfere with the proteins that keep skin smooth and elastic. When oxidative stress remains high for long periods, the skin becomes more vulnerable to visible aging. Dryness is another factor that adults over 40 often describe. The skin naturally becomes less able to hold moisture as certain lipids decline. This dryness can exaggerate fine lines and make the skin feel tight or uncomfortable. Good hydration and the right nutrients can help the skin keep water where it is needed. Inflammation also plays a role. Even low levels of persistent inflammation can affect how the skin repairs itself. The skin may respond more slowly to irritation, and redness may last longer than before. Nourishing the body with anti-inflammatory compounds can calm this internal process and help the skin regain balance. With this foundation in mind, it becomes clearer why one fruit rises above the rest. Pomegranate brings together nutrients that target the main causes of facial skin aging. Its blend of polyphenols, vitamin C, ellagic acid, and natural pigments supports the deeper layers of the skin while also improving its surface appearance. Pomegranate contains powerful antioxidants that help neutralize harmful reactive molecules before they can damage collagen. This is important because protecting collagen is one of the most effective ways to support firmness and smoothness. Many fruits provide antioxidants, but pomegranate offers a unique concentration of compounds that reach the skin cells through circulation. The fruit also contains elagitinins, which the body converts into urolithins. These compounds support cellular repair mechanisms and may help reduce inflammation inside the skin. When inflammation decreases, the skin can return to its natural repairing rhythm, a process that becomes slower with age. Vitamin C inside pomegranate contributes to the ability of your body to form and stabilize collagen. This nutrient is required for collagen cross-linking, meaning it helps strengthen the collagen fibers your body produces. Without enough vitamin C, collagen formation becomes less efficient. Pomegranate also supports microcirculation, the network of small vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Improved circulation allows the upper layers of the skin to receive what they need to stay bright and hydrated. Adults often notice dullness when circulation slows, so improving blood flow can bring life back to the complexion. These benefits become even clearer when we explore how pomegranate interacts with the different layers of facial skin. The deepest layer, called the dermis, is where collagen and elastin fibers are found. These fibers determine much of the firmness and elasticity of the skin. Pomegranate compounds support the cells inside this layer, helping them maintain their structure over time. The middle layers of the skin contain blood vessels that bring nutrients upward. When these vessels are supported by healthy antioxidant levels, they function more effectively and deliver what the surface layers need. This can influence how vibrant the skin looks and how quickly it recovers from irritation at the outermost layer. Hydration and barrier strength are key. Pomegranate contributes natural compounds that help the skin hold moisture. When the outer layer is well hydrated, it appears smoother, softer, and more even. This also protects against environmental stress. As adults continue to eat pomegranates regularly, changes can become noticeable on the surface. The skin may look brighter and more even. Fine lines can appear softer as the underlying tissue becomes stronger. These internal changes take time, but they are meaningful because they are based on slow, steady support of the biology beneath the skin. The next step is understanding how to use this fruit in a way that the body can comfortably handle. Eating pomegranate seeds is the simplest option. A small bowl, a few times each week, can provide consistent support. Pomegranate juice can also be used, but it is better when consumed in modest amounts because it is concentrated. Adults with sensitive digestion may prefer pomegranate blended into yogurt or added to salads. This slows absorption and supports better tolerance. For many individuals, eating the fruit itself provides the most balanced intake of fiber, water, and nutrients. Moreover, pomegranate works best when part of a routine. Skin repair is ongoing, and the compounds in this fruit help the skin respond to everyday stress. Consistency leads to bigger changes that are not always visible at first but become clearer with time. As with any food, there are a few things to keep in mind. Adults who take medications for blood pressure or blood thinning should discuss pomegranate intake with their clinician. The fruit can have mild interactions in some cases. Individuals with certain digestive conditions may prefer smaller portions to ensure comfort. Beyond these considerations, pomegranate is well tolerated by most adults. It is a natural, nutrient-dense fruit that supports health in multiple ways. Over time, individuals who include pomegranate in their routine often describe a sense of renewal in their skin. This is not due to one nutrient alone, but to the combined effect of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds working together inside the body. The goal is not to chase perfection, but to help your skin function in the healthiest way possible. Moreover, this approach aligns with how the body works. The skin responds best when it receives steady support rather than quick fixes. By choosing foods that nourish your cells, you give your skin what it needs to repair and strengthen itself. Many adults notice that after a few weeks of including pomegranate in their diet, their skin feels more hydrated. After several more weeks, they may notice that their facial skin appears brighter or more even. These are signs that internal repair is happening. As the months pass, supporting collagen formation from within can help maintain firmness. At this point, it is helpful to reflect on how small, consistent choices can shape how your skin looks and feels over time. Adults over 40 often think that skin changes cannot be influenced. Yet the skin remains responsive throughout life. When you give your body nutrients that target inflammation, oxidative stress, and collagen support, you help it protect and restore the very structures that make your skin look healthy. As you bring pomegranate into your routine, consider pairing it with other habits that support skin health. Drinking enough water each day, reducing long periods of direct sun exposure, and creating time for restful sleep can enhance the benefits you receive from your diet. If you prepare pomegranates at home, you may find that the process becomes a calming part of your day. The fruit itself is rich in color and naturally hydrating. Eating it slowly allows your body to absorb its nutrients in a gentle, steady way. Moreover, pomegranate supports more than the skin. Its blend of antioxidants also benefits the blood vessels and helps reduce internal stress caused by daily life. When your overall health improves, your skin often reflects this. As we reach the final part of this session, I would encourage you to share your experience with these changes. Leave a comment describing how your skin responds or what new habits you are trying. These shared observations help others understand what may work for them. Finally, if you have not subscribed yet, now is the time. We will continue building on these lessons one step at a time, so let us move forward together with clarity and care.